Callouts are a big challenge for hourly workforces. Managers spend countless hours tracking down replacements every week, leading to higher burnout, lower customer satisfaction, and fewer sales. With Workforce.com's shift replacement tool, you can reduce callouts by up to 75%. If someone can't make it in for a shift, they can simply request a replacement right from their phone. Staff can also see the wages they'll give up with every request, meaning they'll only call out when they really need to. After making a request, a shift is auctioned off to all available and qualified staff via push notification. Claiming is as simple as a tap of a finger, and managers can accept or reject every replacement request. Workforce.com replaces shifts so you don't have to. With fewer call-outs and the right staff on hand, you'll save on overtime costs, increase productivity, and most importantly, improve sales and customer satisfaction. To book a demo or for more information, visit Workforce.com.